Serena Williams didn't just play tennis, she dominated. She wasn't just good, she was unstoppable. She didn't just compete, she outworked everyone. And here's the reality. The same principles Serena used to become one of the greatest athletes in history applied directly to your business and your career. Because success isn't about talent, it's about the level of work you're willing to put in. So today, I'm breaking down Serena Williams' championship mentality and how you can apply it today for your business and your income. Let's dive in. Serena Williams wasn't just naturally talented, she built her dominance. She trained longer and harder than anyone else. She studied her opponents like a strategist. She didn't just win, she wanted to leave no doubt. Most people in business don't have that mentality. They want big results, but aren't willing to put in the big effort. They want to be the best, but aren't training like the best. They want championship success while putting in amateur effort. Are you practicing your craft daily, or are you just showing up and hoping to win? Are you pushing harder than your competition, or are you just keeping up? Are you willing to put in that work that others aren't? Are you waiting for luck? Winners don't wait, they work. If you're not training like a champion, don't expect champion level results. Now let's talk about how Serena prepared for competition and how business professionals fail to do this. Serena didn't just show up for matches hoping to win. She prepared so much that winning became automatic. She trained her body, her mind, and her skills so that when game time came, she was unstoppable. Most people in business, they don't prepare, they just show up. They wing sales calls instead of mastering their pitch. They react to problems instead of anticipating them. They hope things will work instead of engineering their success. So are you studying your competition, or are you just hoping to beat them? Are you tracking your numbers, analyzing your wins and losses, or are you just guessing? Are you preparing for every client interaction like it's a championship match? Guys, the highest earners in sales and business, they don't just wing it, they prepare like champions. You don't rise to the occasion, you fall to the level of your preparation. We work with business owners and sales professionals to build bulletproof preparation habits that help lead to domination. If you're ready to train like a champion, prepare like a champion, and win like a champion, let's build your plan. Apply for coaching below. Now let's talk about Serena's most powerful trait, the one that made her unstoppable. Serena Williams played her best when the pressure was at its highest. She thrived in moments where other people would have collapsed. She never let emotions, distractions, or adversity break her focus. Most people in business quit at the first sign of difficulty. They panic when things don't go as planned. They let rejection shake their confidence. They let small failures stop them from pushing forward. Do you bounce back quickly after a bad sales call, or do you let it ruin your confidence? Do you stay focused on long-term goals, or do you get discouraged easily? Do you push through things when they get tough, or do you look for an easy out? Mental toughness separates elite performers from everyone else. If you can't handle adversity, you'll never handle success. Serena Williams wasn't just a champion, she was an obsessional competitor. She built her success through work, preparation, and mental toughness. So here is the real question. Are you willing to apply these same principles to your business? Are you outworking your competition, or do you just hope to win? Are you preparing like a champion, or are you showing up unprepared? Are you mentally tough to push through adversity, or do you break under pressure? Because if you're serious about reaching an elite level in business and sales, we want to work with you. Apply for coaching below. Let's build your championship mindset. And if you found value from this, hit that subscribe button. We're dropping high performance business strategies every single week. See you on the next one.